Well, a new report shows that Nevada has the highest number of cases of a potentially deadly fungus in the country. Now, according to the CDC, our state saw a total of 384 cases just last year, and the majority of those cases right here in southern Nevada.
Now, Channel 13 News has learned that wastewater testing samples from 7 sewers throughout the valley show Candida auris is present in all of them. I spoke with an epidemiologist about what to look out for. Southern Nevada is facing an outbreak of an antibiotic-resistant fungal infection called Candida auris. And as we found out, it's a superbug not many know about. Do you know what Candida auris is?
I really do not.
When I told Bob Anthus about this organism that spreads easily and can infect wounds, ears, and the bloodstream, he was shocked.
I immediately want to know how it's transmitted.
It's a question many have, so I visited UNLV epidemiologist Brian Labus to get some answers.
This is the type of infection that happens in hospitalized patients. It's something we see in people who are already vulnerable because of the condition they're in. They're hospitalized, having surgery, there's times when their immune system is down, and when they're exposed to this, on top of that, they wind up with a serious infection.
But for healthy people like Bob, Labus says if you are exposed, the impact on your health isn't as significant. Labus says recent data released by the CDC shows Nevada has the highest number of cases of this fungal infection in the country. But even at 384 cases in the last year, Labus says it should not be alarming for the community of Las Vegas overall.
We've had the outbreak here, so we've had more cases. It's something that we have to pay attention to with our infection prevention in those facilities. But also our numbers go up when there is an outbreak because you start testing and looking for it a lot more.
It makes me scared.
Paula Linkrum's brother-in-law has a number of health problems, and Labus says those are the people who should lean on the side of caution.
It has a lot of cancer issues in the face and stuff, so he could end up in the hospital.
The Southern Nevada Water Authority is also taking matters into its own hands. Microbiologist Daniel Garrity tells us they are testing wastewater from 7 different sewers throughout the valley for the pathogen of this fungus. Garrity says this data gives health experts a better idea of how much of this superbug we have in our valley.
We were able to find Candida auris in all the sewer sheds in southern Nevada.
For Paula, these results are something she doesn't sit well with.
Nervous and scared again that there's more things that I need to be tuned in on and find out more about.
And Dan Garrity with the Southern Nevada Water Authority also says they are working with public health officials in Utah, Arizona, and Delaware to help them with their wastewater surveillance and prevent an outbreak like the one we are seeing right here in the valley.